Hey guys, Sam here. I finally got this rocker and the door and fender with a pretty good gap. I think that I showed on the last video that I uploaded. Just need to put some fiberglass here on bottom and top. I usually like to put fiberglass where I've welded. Sometimes you don't need it, but on something like this, where you can't shine a light behind it or something to try to see any little bitty small pinholes, then we'll just put some fiberglass over this area. So I got that part done, and also I lost some footage. I don't know what happened on my camcorder, but also got this repair done here, and I had footage of where I had to cut this panel around in here somewhere and down here to get this body line or gap here. So I got a pretty good consistent gap there. And of course down here at the bottom where this was sticking out just a little bit more, I cut that, shaped the metal back just a little bit, got a high spot right here. But it looks a whole lot better when I have the door where it's supposed to close. Now you don't have this sticking out as much. Hardly any at all. I mean, it's pretty flush with this here. And then transition here. I still need to shape this body line a little bit more. Some of this fiberglass filler still has to come off. Didn't need that much, but very thin layer along here. Most of this will come off. So really only I needed it right along in here. As you see, most of that's already come off. I still got to sand a little bit off of that, and then we'll I got this whole quarter panel sanded again, and then after I shape this up a little bit more, then I'm going to primer this whole panel again, and then shoot it in 2K high build 2K primer. So all my footage I lost. I guess my card went bad or something, so I got a new card, but I had some footage where I had cut this, welded it, moved this metal back, but I lost that. So that's where I'm at on that. So I'll try to get this video uploaded. Alright, thanks for watching.